Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can schedule downtime for customized days on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. Next, tap on Downtime. Then tap on Schedule. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Next, instead of selecting every day, we can choose Customized Days. This will give us the ability to set a different time for each of the different days. So for Sunday, I can choose to switch it off. Then tap on Done to save the changes. Then on Monday to Friday, I can set the same time. But on Saturday, I can choose a different downtime. So say from 12. So here we go from 12. So from 12, we'll try it again. So I can't set it from 12, maybe from 11. And then 2, Sunday morning, so 7 a.m. So 8 hours of downtime, then tap on Done. Now if you want to change a different time for say Wednesday or Thursday, you can do that as well. So this will allow you to change our times for other days here. So say on Tuesday, I want to set to 8 o'clock, and then 2, we can set it to 6 or 5 or 4 o'clock. So downtime from 8 to 4, then tap on Done. And that's it. So that is how you can set or schedule a different downtime for customized days on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.